Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta not launching, crashing, not loading on Xbox Game Pass. So if you have the same situation, then go through this video guide completely. So the first method is to restart your PC once. So for that, you need to click on the Windows icon over here and then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. So after your system restarts, now check if you can play the game. Remember, this is an important step, so don't forget to restart your PC once. After that, next method is to verify and repair game files. So for that, go to the Xbox Game Pass and now open Call of Duty game. Here you can see three dot icon, click on it. Now click on manage, then click on files option over here and then click on verify and repair option. So this will verify and repair the game files, and after that check if you can play the game without any further problem. Next solution is to update a graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to repair and reset Call of Duty. So for that, you need to go to the settings, then click on apps and install apps. So go to the Windows repair and reset Call of Duty. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for settings. Now click on apps, then click on install apps. Now here you can see your game Call of Duty. Here click on three dot icon, then click on advanced option. After that, go below and here under reset option you first have to click on repair option. After repairing, then click on reset option. So after this process, try to launch the game and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to disable HDR. So for that, go to settings again, then click on system, then click on display option over here, and here you can see HDR. You need to simply disable your HDR, and after that try to check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for updates option. So for that, go to the Xbox Game Pass. Here click on three dot icon, then click on manage, then click on files option, and here you can see check for updates option. So if there is any update option available, you have to update your game, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working now. So the next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates, or simply search for check for updates option. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should click on check for updates option, and this will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now check if you can launch the game. The next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy this and paste it in your browser, and after that download and install the Visual C++ files, and then restart your PC and then log into the game and then check if the issue is resolved. So go to your web browser. Now after the website opens, go below, and from here you have to download and install the Visual C++ files. After installing it, try to launch the game and see if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it is suggested to check the settings of the particular program and disable it to play the game hassle free. Next solution is to reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta game. So when nothing works, then you should reinstall the game. So for that, go to the Xbox Game Pass. Now here you have to click on three dot icon, then click on manage, and here you can see uninstall game. You simply need to click on uninstall and your game will be uninstalled. After that, restart your system once. After restarting, again reinstall the game on Xbox Game Pass, and after that try to play it and see if this resolves the problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta game not launching, crashing, not loading, or other issues on Xbox Game Pass. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.